Every great city has a story of dreams taking shape, aspirations finding expression, and skylines transforming with time. Over the past 4 decades, Mangalore has emerged as one of India's most vibrant urban centers, a thriving hub of education, healthcare, commerce, industry, and now a promising IT destination. Growing with this remarkable transformation has been one trusted name, Inland. The journey began in 1986 when a young entrepreneur, Mr. Siraj Ahmed, returned from the Gulf with a vision. Beginning as a modest real estate consultancy, he built not just a business but a reputation founded on integrity, professionalism, and trust. Years before Inland created landmarks, it built relationships. Years before it transformed skylines, it earned the confidence of people. Those enduring values remain the foundation of the Inland Group. Building on that trust, Inland took a defining step into property development in 1995 with its first construction project, Embassy Plaza at Pumpwell, Mangalore. This marked the beginning of a new chapter. From building trust, Inland began building homes. Today, Inland Infrastructure Developers Private Limited stands as the flagship company of the group and one of the leading real estate developers in coastal Karnataka. Every Inland project begins with the right location. It is then shaped by thoughtful planning, contemporary design, quality construction, and meticulous execution, creating residential and commercial spaces that stand the test of time. Over 4 decades, the company has developed a distinguished portfolio of apartments, villas, and commercial buildings across Mangalore, Bengaluru, and Mysuru. Its reputation rests not only on what it builds, but on how it builds. Transparent dealings, timely completion, adherence to promised specifications, and dependable after-sales service have earned Inland the confidence of generations of customers. Today, with over 50 plus completed projects and more than 3,000 satisfied customers, Inland continues to set benchmarks for quality, reliability, and customer satisfaction. This confidence is further endorsed by numerous prestigious industry awards and recognitions.
What started as a dream in 1986 has become a legacy of trust. Our greatest achievement is not only the building that we have constructed, but the confidence and the goodwill we have earned over 4 decades. Our vision is always create a better living and working spaces that enrich lives and contribute to our city. I thank everyone and seek your continued support.
Guided by the vision of founder and chairman Mr. Siraj Ahmed and strengthened by executive directors Miraj Yusuf and Wahad Yusuf, Inland continues to blend experience with fresh ideas, carrying its legacy confidently into the future. As the Inland story continued to unfold, so did its vision. What began as a real estate company evolved into the Inland Group, a diversified enterprise offering integrated solutions across construction, interiors, hospitality, and premium building products. Inland Infrastructure Developers Private Limited is the flagship enterprise that continues to lead the group with landmark residential and commercial developments. Inland Indoors extends the group's commitment to excellence through creative, turnkey interior solutions for homes, offices, and commercial spaces across South India. Inland Avenue represents the group's hospitality vertical, offering contemporary comfort and warm service in the heart of Mangalore. Completing the ecosystem is Inglaze, manufacturing precision-engineered aluminium and UPVC windows and doors from its advanced facility in Bangalore, serving customers across Karnataka. Different businesses, one philosophy, one standard of quality, one trusted name, Inland Group. A vision that became a respected enterprise. A promise honored through quality, integrity and reliability. A journey shared by everyone who has been part of the Inland story. Customers, employees, associates and partners. As Mangalore, Bengaluru and Mysuru continue to grow, so too does the vision of the Inland Group. New ideas, new technologies, new landmarks, new possibilities. Because for Inland, every project begins with a promise, is delivered with responsibility, and endures through relationships. Inland Group, celebrating 40 years of building trust. Inland Group, in pursuit of excellence since 1986.